Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download all your files from Google Drive at once. Maybe you're switching accounts, changing phones, or you just want to have a full backup on your computer. This method is fast and very easy. Let's get started. First, open your browser on your computer and go to drive.google.com. Sign in with the Google account that has all your files. Now, instead of downloading each file one by one, we're going to select everything together. To do that, look at the top left corner and click on the first file or folder. Then press Ctrl+A on your keyboard. What that does is select every file and folder inside your Google Drive. You will see everything turn blue. That means they're all selected. Next, right-click anywhere on the selected files. A menu will appear. Now click Download. Google Drive will not download each file separately. Instead, it will take all your files and compress them into a zip folder. You'll see a message at the bottom that says Zipping Files. This might take a few minutes if you have a lot of files. After the zipping is complete, the zip file will automatically start downloading to your computer. Once the download is finished, go to your Downloads folder on your PC. You'll see a zip file with the name Drive Download, followed by numbers. Double-click it, then click Extract or Extract All. Now your computer will unzip the files, and you can view all your Google Drive documents, photos, folders, videos, everything offline, right on your computer. So that's how you download all files from Google Drive at once. Select everything with Ctrl+A, right-click Download, wait for the zip file, and extract it on your computer. That's it for today's tutorial. If this helped you, make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss my next tech tutorial. See you in the next one.